So today you're going to make snow.
Yeah.
Okay, so what you need is baking crystals, conditioner, and we're going to use some colours, tray and a spoon. Okay, so
That's funny.
what you need to do is get your tray and put your crystals in the tray. Okay, be careful, yep. Okay, well done. And just push it, move it to the side a little bit. Now, open the conditioner. Mix it together. And this is how you're going to make snow. So it's fake snow, 2 ingredients. Okay. Okay, does that look like snow now? Yeah. Now what we're going to do is we're going to add some colours in there. So you can put that into the cup. Right, what colours are they?
They grab.
And? Red, well done.
Green.
You're going green, well done.
That's marshmallow pot.
Is the truck gonna go take all the snow away? Huh? The truck taking all the snow away? Yeah?